Jake, we will not give up until justice is done for you. You are the true warrior. We will all stand together steadfast until those responsible for your untimely death are held accountable.
Criminal charges have now been filed against the man accused of killing Boone County Sheriff's Deputy Jacob Pickett. Those charges came down about 2.5 hours ago against Anthony Baumgart.
And our own Rich Van Wyk was there today. He now joins us live with a brand new details on exactly what happened last Friday. Rich?
We learned a lot of things today, Andrea, but I think the most important thing is the report from police officers making the arrest. They say that twice Baumgart confessed, telling him twice that he said, quote, I shot a cop. The bullet that killed Deputy Jacob Pickett apparently was not a wild shot fired by a suspect on the run. According to court records, Anthony Baumgart told investigators he specifically shot at the deputy. I shot a cop, he's quoted as saying, because they were going to take me back to jail.
In that statement, he talks about the deliberate act of shooting at the police officer.
Boone County Prosecutor Todd Meyer charged Baumgart with a list of crimes: murder, possession of meth, carrying a handgun without a license, resisting law enforcement, and possession of marijuana. Meyer says he's leaning toward pursuing the death penalty.
That is a decision that will be made over a matter of time and in due course. It is not something that I take lightly.
Baumgart and the younger Baldwin jumped out at this apartment complex. Deputy Pickett and his canine partner Brick were chasing after them when the deputy was shot and killed. Witnesses say Baumgart shot at other officers. According to Meyer, it is an ongoing investigation, and there may be more charges and more arrests.
And anyone who is responsible in any way for the events that occurred on March the 2nd will be held accountable, and justice will be served for this community.
Sheriff Mike Nielsen, who tried to save his deputy's life, tried to keep his composure during the news conference.
I am angry. I am so angry. I am sad. I am heartbroken. And I am devastated.
And grateful, the sheriff said, for the community's support. Brick, Deputy Pickett's partner, was there too. Quiet, obedient, and a little playful. Brick is going to be retired. The plan is for him to move into Deputy Pickett's family and spend his time with them. Baumgart is held without bond in jail. His initial hearing could take place as early as tomorrow. Back to you.
Yeah, we'll be covering every step of it. Rich, thank you.
And also, one of the other men accused in this case had his initial hearing today. Prosecutors charged John Baldwin Jr. with resisting law enforcement, auto theft, leaving the scene of an accident, and criminal recklessness. Now, because of his past convictions, he's also charged with being a habitual felony offender. Police say that Baldwin's father, John Baldwin Sr., was the third person in the car during that chase last Friday. But right now, we don't know exactly what, if any, charges he'll soon face.
Of course, all of this is still sinking in for the residents of Lebanon. Our Kevin Rader spent the day listening to the people there. He joins us live tonight from Lebanon. Kevin.
Yeah, as you might expect, it is the topic of discussion here, and no doubt will be for years to come in Lebanon. But as Scott pointed out, my task today was to just come here and listen, which I did at Clemmy's Barbershop on the north side.
It's been a rough week.
Everything that happened just really impacted the city in more ways than one.
People see the news and they see all this stuff and they don't associate it with it happening to them, and then when it does, you know, you're just shocked. So
I feel different. I'm sure everybody feels different. I mean, we've got a pretty quiet community. Have we had airplanes and helicopters fly overhead? Yeah, but usually it's not because something good happened. And
yeah, but I don't think we've ever had the school locked down and
never had a school lockdown.
People staying in because of it, like that. It makes people wake up, you know, especially to the drug problems. I mean, people knew it was there, but you know, then this happens and it's obviously very drug related. And then it hits, you know, people that you know and people that you're close to, and it just shocks you and wakes you up to what's going on, and that it can touch you. People here, they're definitely willing to get involved and participate and try to do what they can to show their respect and pay their respect to the officer and his family, and do what they can to try to, you know, give them some comfort and show them a little grace.
Yeah, one thing you're hearing people talk about a lot here now is they know that the police officers here, whether they be the sheriff or the police department, doesn't matter. They know they're what stands between them and what they see as an outlaw contingent in their community. More on that coming up on Eyewitness News at 6. Scott?
All right, we'll see you in about an hour, Kevin. Thanks. And here's how our community will honor Deputy Pickett. His visitation Thursday from 2 until 7 at Crown Hill Cemetery on West 38th Street. Deputy Pickett's funeral is 11 o'clock on Friday morning at Connection Point Christian Church in Brownsburg. Once the funeral is finished, there will be a procession back to Crown Hill. Now, the exact route, we're told, is still being finalized tonight, but here's what we know. It will pass White Lick Elementary. That's where his wife taught. The procession will also pass the Boone County Courthouse and his squad car outside the Boone County Sheriff's Office. Pickett will be buried in the Heroes of Public Safety section at Crown Hill Cemetery. And we are remembering Deputy Pickett online tonight. Go to WTHR.com. There you can watch today's news conference and read all of our stories about the fallen deputy and the latest on the investigation.